quickly.
There's a lot of different pro bono opportunities. There's a bunch of clinics that everyone can participate in. There's a wide range of subjects that you can study.
I decided to earn LL.M degree to explore international immigration law. I have completed my bachelor degree and I have studied all the civil law subjects in my bachelor degree. And now I am exploring the immigration law with deeper knowledge, and that's why I have decided to earn LL.M.
It's an advanced degree for me, which translates into the more competitive and the promising opportunities in the future.
I wanted to give myself the best chance to succeed, and I think that BLS gives you this opportunity.
I choose Brooklyn Law School for my LL.M degree because number one, it was cost effective compared to the other schools in the city, and number two, it has a great reputation. I applied to Brooklyn Law School and I got a really wonderful welcoming from the BLS community and felt that this is the place for me. It's very friendly to immigrants and very culture friendly as well.
What impressed me is probably the rate of people who succeed after they finish Brooklyn Law School.
All of the professors and the support staff, everyone is really willing to help you and everyone really wants you to succeed.
All the teachers are open to feedback, and all the faculty members are ready to answer the questions.
The LL.M program really prepares you well for the bar exam.
Sitting for the bar examination will prepare you for the job in the future.
Brooklyn Law School is like one family.
The LL.M classmates were wonderful. I'm good friends with a lot of them today. We have a big mixture of people that are a little older and people that are a little younger and just straight out of their law schools in their countries where they come from.
Brooklyn Law School is in Brooklyn Heights, which is a great neighborhood.
Brooklyn Law School's location is wonderful. Just look at this amazing view that you can just walk down and grab lunch and just sit here and you can study.
There's the promenade, which is really beautiful and lovely to walk along. There's great cafes and restaurants, and it has just a really lovely vibe.
When you look back in the future, you will find it's a very beautiful and the most beautiful experience you had in your life.
Finally today I'm here and I'm pursuing my dream of studying abroad in the New York City.
I think New York City is very, very magical.
Brooklyn Law School has definitely changed my life.